Let's take a look and see what we've got going on here. Kind of a mess, isn't it? Some of that's just laying on the surface, but you can see through here all of the buildup. I've seen it worse at times, but there are some streaks in here that are really burned on there. So what I've got to start with, I've got a wire brush and this old pill bottle. It's got old mineral oil, like I was saying. So now I'm going to take some of it and I'm going to just kind of wipe it on there. Doesn't have to be a lot or anything, because some of it will evaporate. But just kind of spread it on there, and it starts to look better, you know, right away when you start spreading it on there. But it will, I think it will soak that right up, and that'll be the end of our problem. The thing is no good anyway, you know, so whatever I do to it, even if it doesn't work, why, nothing lost. So, like I say, nothing ventured, nothing gained. So we'll just continue putting it on there. You get the idea. Starts to look pretty good just because it's wet, you know, but it's still there. Okay, we'll get rid of our mineral oil for now. Now I'll take this brush, and where the deep stuff is, I'm just going to brush back and forth on it. Surprising. Just that little bit of soaking there hasn't even been a minute yet, and it's already starting to come loose. This looks like it might be a winning situation for all of us here. Just kind of keep rolling the drum around. It's not going to be as good a sandpaper when we get done as before, but it's sure going to work better than it is now, because right now it wants to burn everything that you try to put through it. I may have to put a little bit more mineral oil on some of that, but it just looks like it's not going to come completely off. Okay, I swept the floor for a while and kind of cleaned up a little bit around here. Give this time to soak in a little bit, and it's actually looking pretty good. I'm going to scrub it just a little bit. Yeah. I think we've got it pretty good shape. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to take a rag, and I'm going to just kind of dry it off a little bit here. Looking kind of like it's useful. It's going to work. One thing I probably should have done is to put something underneath the drum to catch the drip, because I think the belt on my table is going to be all soggy now, but it'll dry out pretty fast and won't be bad at all. Okay, I think we got it whipped. Okay, I'm going to turn it on for just a second and let it spin here, and kind of that'll speed up the drying process. looks like here. Anything that's on there is loose. It's coming right off. Look at that. A little bit of lint that's hanging on there, but that won't hurt anything. What do you think? Be worth trying maybe, huh? Sure a lot easier than, lots easier than what's coming next, and that is to take that belt off and then put a new one on. And I'm not really interested in doing that today. So let's move on. That's about it for this week, or this month, or however it's going to be from now on. I haven't got things on YouTube very often lately, so hopefully I can get back in the groove here and have more things going on here for you to watch. Talk to you later.